How to log out your account on Amazon Shopping app. Are you guys facing issues to log out your account on Amazon Shopping application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Amazon app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Once you click on it, look at the top of your screen where you can see a username. Just click on menu icon. Up, you'll be provided with two options: switch account and sign out. You are looking to sign out your account, right? Click on sign out. Again, click on sign out. As soon as you click on sign out, your account will be instantly signed out from the Amazon Shopping application. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna log out our account on Amazon Shopping app. If you guys have any issues regarding Amazon Shopping app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one.